And welcome to my YouTube channel, Kinchik Vlog. We are here now in the airport at meron sila vision dito. Nakikita nyo ang gaganda, oh. And, akala nyo po picture siya, pero yung pala ay ano sila, watercolor. You see, they are watercolor. Pero akala nyo totoong ano sila, oh, picture lang. Kaya lang yung ilaw kasi, nakita nyo yan, oh. So yung iba-ibang area ng Hong Kong yan. Ito po ay sa Aberdeen, yan. This is Aberdeen. Yan. Sa Aberdeen po yung picture na yan. Ang ganda, oh. Pero ano siya, watercolor. Ang galing. Tapos ito naman po ay sa Tonochi Road. Sa Wan Chai. Old house. Yan. Watercolor din po yan. Ang ganda, diba? Old house, watercolor. And this one is also watercolor sa Kowloon Walled City. Ayan, sa Kowloon Walled City yan. Pag napunta kayo sa Kowloon, makikita nyo yan. Yan, very old mga buildings. And this is Sunlight in Double Haven. Yan, oh. Ganda, oh. Sunlight in Double. I like sunlight, eh. Sunset in Double Haven. Ayan, oh. Ganda. Hong Kong din po yan, ha. Kaya makikita nyo, napakaganda. Pero ang nakaka-amaze dito, it is made of watercolor. Talagang watercolor siya, akala nyo picture lang. Nung tinitignan ko, akala ko picture. Ako, I like drawings, eh. I like drawings. And when I draw, I use watercolor or gray color. Yan, crepas color. So this is nice. It's all draw by watercolor. Akala mo totoo talagang picture siya, oh. Yan. Hindi lang niya, marami yan. Sunod natin ay ito. Ito naman ay sa Siutan. It's also made of watercolor. This is also made watercolor. It looks like real. Para siyang talagang picture ng Pero watercolor din po siya. It's drawing po yan. Pero kala nyo po, pinicturan. Napakagaling talaga nila. Tapos ito yung Hong Shek Mon. Ayan, oh. Color red yung mga rocks nila, oh. Galing. Oh, ayan, oh. Galing, oh. Watercolor din po yan. Akala nyo talaga ay pictures. Then this one is Siek Ngau Chau. Sa Siek Ngau Chau siya, oh. Ang galing, oh. Oh, ganda, oh. Watercolor din po. Lahat po ito, by watercolor. Yan. Hindi lang po natin alam kung sino yung nag-drawing. Pero, ang nilagay lang nila dito, yung location, at saka yung, draw by watercolor. So, napakaganda. Mahilig din po ako sa watercolor drawing, eh. Next time, papakita ko yung mga drawing ko sa inyo. Saka yung anak ko at mga anak ko, ang galing sa drawing. Lagi silang nananalo sa competition. So, this is so nice. And this one is in, the Erie Hand Rock. Wong Chuk Kok Choy. Yan. Wong Chuk Kok Choy. Ganda. Watercolor din yan. Galing. Naku, malulubat na ako. This one is in Lion Rock. Ayan. Malapit yan sa amin. Lion Rock. Para talagang layo siya. Ganon. Watercolor. This is in Wetland Park. Yan. Nakapunta na rin kami dyan sa wetland. May mga maraming ibon dyan. And this one is Kukpo. Kukpo. Galing, overlooking talaga. No, made of watercolor. Napakaganda talaga. And this is, I like it. It's so beautiful. Ito ay Haungam Taishing Stream. Wow! Ang galing, oh. Ang galing yung tubig niya. Oh, yan talaga watercolor din yan. Puro watercolor siya. Pero ang gaganda. Ito naman sa Foot of Taimoshan. Sa Taimoshan siya. Ayan. Ganda. Doon. Maraming ibon doon, eh. Ayan, oh. Saka maganda yung bundok-bundok niyan. Sa Shatin, bundok yung marami din kami doon, Sai Kung Old Town. Ito yung old houses sa Sai Kung. Pag pumunta kayo doon, makikita nyo pa rin yung mga old houses sa Sai Kung. Sai Kung may beach yun at saka dagat. Tapos ito ang Mysterious Underwater Cove sa Tai Chau, Tai Long Wan. Ayan. Mga nature talaga. Yung mga nature lover, di ba? Appreciate nyo yan. Ganda. Ito Lam Wan Kok Art Basalt Island. Basalt Island. Yan, ganda, oh. Lalo na dun, oh. Hindi mo, watercolor siya. Nung galing. Yung Tao sa Panling. Ito Panling naman to, mga old houses. Ito maganda to. National to, eh. Ponpin Chow. Yang ganda, oh. Galing ng ng rock formation, Pero akala nyo po picture, pero pala siya, drawing by watercolor. Sa watercolor din po iyan. And this is Sai Kung Town. Yan ang overlooking ng Sai Kung. Ayan. Sai Kung Town. Ayan. Watercolor din po yan. Okay? So this one is sa Sea Arc in Panlao, sa Lantau Island. Ayan ang Sea Arc. Oh, ganda ng kanyang rock formation. No? Sana mapuntahan ko. Hindi ko pa yung napuntahan, eh. Sa Lantau Island yan. And then this one is the Tai-On fishing village diyan. This one is the ang nga Ngoong. Ayan. Ganda rin, no? Mag-ano ka, trail walk. I think this is in Lama Island. I'm not sure, but parang Lama Island siya eh. And this one is in the Big Buddha. Yan. So lahat po yan watercolor. Hindi lang makita dahil yung reflection ng ilaw, pero ayan po. Ito pala siya. Ang ano niya, Picturesque Hong Kong. Kong Kai Ming Art Collection. So ang ating painter dito ay si Kong Kai Ming. Siya po ay merong watercolor po ang kanyang ginamit. Tapos ito po yung mga ano niya, about Kong Kai Ming. Siya po yung nag-draw, si Kong Kai Ming. Siya ay one of the very few first generation. He was born in 1932. Grabe, 1932 ano, pero ang galing niya mag-drawing by watercolor. Self-taught painter and art educators. Siya po ay natuto lang siya ng self-taught lang siya doon sa painting niya, no? Ang galing, hindi siya nag-aral pero ang galing niya mag-painting. So, Mr. Kong had a passion for art since he was in childhood, but soon after completing junior years of secondary school, he became a breadwinner for his family. He simultaneously taught himself painting techniques and archery in his own time. He is especially skilled at drawing people and scenery. Kaya drawing niya yung mga sceneries, ang ganda eh. Iba yung panakatok siya. And mainly creates work with fountain paints and pencil sketching, watercolors and all pastels, as well as printmaking. Galing. Mr. Kong was engaged in art education since the age of 20 until retiring from teaching in 1993, dedicated to art creation and education. For over 60 years, he taught and nurtured talents at numerous local secondary schools, colleges, universities. Apart from painting and teaching, Mr. Kong has published more than 60 art education books, which contributed greatly to the local arts industry. He also keeps challenging himself to broaden his artistic horizon, traveling and drawing all around the world. His works has been exhibited in the United States, Japan, Malaysia, mainland China, and Taiwan. Mr. Kong has received numerous arts awards and honorary accolades, including the Bronze Bohemia Star Award and Art Education Life Achievements Award. So marami siyang award na ano. Yan po yung kanyang ako. So ito po yung kanyang mga na-picturean niya po yung mga yan. Dito siya nandito siya sa may airport sa ating departure area. So you can come and take a look at napakaganda po ng kanyang mga drawing. Drawing niya yan by watercolor. So beautiful. And this is dito nyo mababasa yan kung sino siya, si Mr. Kong. Mr. Kong this is yung kanyang yung kanyang display ngayon is about Hong Kong territories experienced volcanic activities as early as 100 million years ago, not only formed its current geographical landforms and ecological environment, also nurtured cultural scenery of the city, providing rich inspiration and materials for artistic creation. Mr. Kong Kai Ming is a renowned artist born and raised in Hong Kong. He has explored almost every corner in the city over the past few decades. He is armed with keen insights and broad perspective and used paintbrush to record the ever-changing landscapes and seascapes of Hong Kong. From our beautiful bays and islands and diverse volcanic columns and sea caves to our quiet villages and bustling cities, piecing together and picturesque stories of Hong Kong. The exhibition showcased more than 20 of Kong's watercolor pieces which depict Hong Kong's natural and ecological and geological glory in his expressive, realistic style. Enjoy how the faithfully recreates the mountains, oceans, and its scenery with delicate precisions, highlighting the city's natural beauty and melding artistic expression with our living environment. The exhibition carries forward Kong's pursuit of spirituality of art, bringing audience to experience the spirituality in his artworks. Endless spiritual, endless grip, endless changing, endless alive. That's the profound mystery of nature. And artistic can be seen as nature performers on the universe, states Kong Kai Ming. So ayan po. So ayan po yung kanyang dito po yung kanyang exhibition. Ayan. So, di ko po alam kasi 19 ano siya pinanganak eh. 1932. So, ilang taon na siya ngayon? Buhay pa kaya siya? Sorry po, nagtanong ano. Pero 1932 siya pinanganak. Ngayon ay 2024. Okay, so kayo na lang mag-count kung ilang taon na siya. Pero napakaganda ng mga drawing niya. I love drawings and paintings. And it's so beautiful. Especially, it looks real. Hindi mo akalain na painting lang pala yung mga yan, no? Akala mo talaga pictures. This is painted by watercolor, Mr. Kong. Ayan, no? And of course, he cannot paint it without looking on it. So talagang nakita niya yan at yan talagang totoo. Nakita ko rin yan eh. Lalo na itong Lion Rock malapit yan sa bahay ko. Ito malapit yan sa bahay ko, itong Lion Rock. Yan, yan. Yan. So ang gaganda, di ba? Ayan, oh, so good. Even the colors, even ang galing talaga. Iba-iba makikita mo sa kanya. Okay, yan. Hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you for watching the painting of Mr. Kong and I hope you like it. Yeah. So this is Ate Panmoy of Pinchy Vlog. Always remember, be happy, and keep trusting the Lord. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ayan po ang kanyang painting. Pag gusto nyo makita ng personal, punta kayo dito sa airport, nandito sa departure area. Okay, bye-bye. God bless.